Good luck, everybody. Buena suerte. I think I got everybody's payment. We got Power Roast, Nathan, Corey, Brent, Daniel, Ryan. I don't think you set for the last one, Nathan. I'll double check though. All right, let's pick a box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's 11, 12. We're screwed. 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Box 6 is gonna be the guy. Here we go. 5 times on the randomizer. All right, we got Chewy, Daniel, we got Corey, Daniel, Ryan, Brandon, Nathan, Brett, and Michael. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got Ryan Emery on the top. State of Hockey, Beluma, State of Hockey. Brent, Pot Roast, Mora, Chewy, and sorry, Brandon. God dang it, I can't. Saying, oh, gotcha. That's what I gotta do. Dropped it down at the bottom, huh? 4, 5, 6, 7, no 1, 2, 3. Emery goes first this time, huh? Box 6. It's alright. First Wisconsin Badger we pull, Ryan's taking him, regardless of who else is in this thing. So don't worry about it. All right, we got Cole. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And that is 4 of 4. Oh, that's dude from Hawaii, huh? Oh, where's Darren at? Boom. Cole MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Joshua Kelly out of that second other school here in LA. The worst of the two. That is numbered 17 of 20 on Joshua Kelly. Brian Lewerk. Ooh, I want that. This is the guy from South Dakota, North Dakota, one of those two. 11 of 25. Cam Akers, Touchdown Kings. Nice. Michigan State. Is that Michigan State? Oh. I'm going to pull his autograph in Prism Draft. Cam Akers is 50 of 50. J.K. Dobbins also. $39 of 50. AJ Epinesa. 1 of 7. James Robinson. It's to you, Mrs. Robinson. 50 of 50. Nate Stanley, Iowa. 18 of 40. And DeAndre Swift. 2 of 2. Oh. What was? Oh, 50 of 50s. And 2 of 2. Look at that. And here's our true 101 though. It is Jalen Reagor. Touchdown Kings. Reagor. 1 of 1. Nice little box. Goose luck, everyone. Goose luck.